Let's do some more examples of u substitution. We are actually going to skip number 8 for just a little bit and go to number 9. Now, I'm just going to give you a hint to start off, and then I want you to try and finish this problem on your own. Now remember, 90% of the time our u is going to be what's on the inside. So that's what we're going to go with. U should equal 4x. And from there, I want you to pause the video and try to finish the problem. So find du. You're going to have to add something in and the reciprocal on the outside to get your du. And then try to integrate from there. Ready, set, go. Welcome back. So I got du dx equals 4, brought my dx to the other side, so I have du equals 4 dx. So when I rewrote it over here, I added my 4 in so I could get my du, added the 1/4 to keep it balanced. Then I rewrote it, so I had sine of u du. That du says I should only have my variable u, which I do, check. So now I can integrate. Integral of sine is negative cosine, so I did that, and my constant of integration. And then I just started to simplify, and then I plugged u back in, and I'm done. Now, I did also want to take a second to show you that there is a check step with all of these. If I take my answer, negative 1/4 cosine of 4x plus c, remembering that c is a constant, a number, and I take the derivative of this. Well, I'd have negative 1/4. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, and this is going to be a chain rule. So now I'm going to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 4, and then the derivative of this constant, a number, is just 0. If I start to simplify this, I have a 4 on top and bottom. That's going to cancel, and I have a negative times a negative, which is going to be sine of 4x, which, ta-da, is what we started with. So you can always check your answers. Take the derivative of your answer, and you should end up with what you started with. Okay, let's try number 11. Now, I'm going to rewrite this one for you real quick. Just a reminder that sine squared of x is the same thing as sine of x squared. I think it's a little easier if you write it like that. Now, once again, remember your hint that u should always be what's on the inside. So using that hint, I want you to pause the video and try out this problem. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. So our u should be on the inside, so that's sine. U is sine of x. So our du is going to be cosine of x dx. I hope you don't mind that I just skipped that in-between step that we usually do of bringing the dx over. I just did that automatically. So here's my u. My du is cosine of x dx. Well, it's right there. I don't even have to change or manipulate anything. Sweet. So I've got integral of u squared right there, du. Everything's in terms of u's, which is what this tells me, so I'm good to integrate. So integral of u squared is going to be u cubed over 3. That's our power rule, plus our constant of integration. And then I plug the u back in, and we're done. In the next video, we'll go through the last 2 u substitution problems.